There is a safe place where captive chimpanzees go to retire. It's a place where chimps flourish.
I'm Dr. Tara Stawinski, President and CEO and Chief Scientific Officer of the Dian Fossey Gorilla Fund. And I'm here to talk about each great ape that's featured in the new Planet of the Apes trilogy.
Instead of bolting from me, just sort of ambled off.
Imagine you are hiking high in the mountains of
chance of tiring them out and surviving. But you'll need to keep moving. Step 5. Jump into the water. Due to their low-fat bodies, it's hard for chimps to float, and their anatomy makes it tough to keep their heads above the water to breathe. So you could be a better swimmer than they are. Quickly jump into the water. It's your last chance. Phew, that was a close call. Chimpanzees can be scary, but
Lumbo is a small male. He arrived 2 weeks.
You want that one?
Walk with me.
Super Bowl!
Checking out what your buddy Tarzan's doing? What's he been up to? Hanging out with girls on the beach? Oh, touching snakes, that's always dangerous. Oh, that's you. That's when you guys almost first met, huh? He said, I like that video, that was a good one. Still checking? Got some lizards.
When I first saw a Krabby Patty on my TV screen, I couldn't stop